Must try this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Sorry, let's do it again. I'm going to shake the cocktail. And I think I can do a better job if you sing that song again, okay?
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh, Lychee, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Lychee. Hey, Lychee. Oh, Lychee, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Lychee.
Hey, Lychee. Woo. Hey.
Likey,
When Likey go to Hawaii.
Likey.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
I can't think of anyone who doesn't love ice cream. I actually have craving. Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Amber. Woo. Wow, things happen. And now, let me show you how I make. Let's do it again.
Sound speeds. Scene Delta 10102. Take 1. Bring it up a bit. Yep. And mark.
So first, we are going to make my teriyaki sauce.
Ooh, hey, so you keep hitting. You're just whacking.
Okay.
It's fine. Let's just
Okay. Half cup of soy sauce in the pot. 2 tablespoons. Sorry. So, should we clap again?
No, it's fine.
Okay. All right. All right. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah.
All right, so first thing we're going to do for the donuts is we're going to take apple cider and reduce it. We're taking about 3 cups and reduce it to 2/3 of a cup. Right, that's what's happening is damn it.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Am I in the frame?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
You guys are both in the frame.
Okay.
All right, so first we're going to cook the apple cider. We're going to reduce it down to 2/3 cup. That will intend to
3 cup to 2.
3 cup to 2/3. Okay.
Okay. So,
All right, that will intensify the. Damn it!
it's okay.
all right.
It's okay.
All right. First, before we get started on making the donuts, we need to cook and reduce the apple cider from 3 cups to 2/3 cup. Doing that will intensify the flavor of the apple cider.
Scene Dinosaur 3, 1103. Take 1. Mark.
Okay.
Oh, hold on.
You're not. Okay. What do I say actually? Yeah, and also to make the dough. Melissa!
Oh, hey.
Thinking is done.
Hey, okay.
No, too much.
Yeah, too much yelling.
Okay.
Too much yelling. Let's just try to do that. Sound disputing. Scene Delta 3, 1111. Take 1. Mark. Thanks. And just hold for a second. All right. And action.
Hey Yan, can you believe I have over 500 email in my... Sorry, it's too funny. Do it again.
Do you want to just roll?
Okay. Can you say action?
Yeah, sure. And action.
Wow, Yan, can you believe I have more than 500 email in my spam box?
Spam? Why don't we make spam scallion pancake? What's wrong with your mic? Lying. I mean, that was perfect. Why was like, oh, come on, just make it real.
Okay. You were doing so good. It's only because you were too good. I couldn't help.
Don't. Come on.
Okay.
Waste my.
Okay. Let's cut. We'll do another one.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
I know, right?
Oh my god. This is so good.
Yeah, that's so
Wow.
much intense sesame flavor.
Yes. What? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's just sorry. It just peeked out in my ear, so that's why I was like. When you were like, wow!
Do
You
we
know what
have
I'm saying? Because sometimes you're like, okay, guys, the ice cream's ready. And then a second later, you're like, yeah, ice cream!
Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Yan here. Hi Yan.
Hello, hi.
Hi. So my childhood memory was eating at night market. That's my favorite place to go. I really like barbecue pork bun with crispy button. It was just so delicious. Have you been to Taipei?
Yeah, I've been there many years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 下面应该你问啦. You were gonna ask me if I've
Oh,
been
if
to
you've been to night market.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, fine. That's where my
Alright, let's just roll on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Action.
Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking. Amber, why do you suddenly do this?
I was going to whisper, say, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Besides, I'm solo.
Yeah,
you're
exactly,
solo.
you're
Yes,
solo.
yes.
So that's the only star of that part.
You
so.
are the only star.
And like at that part, so you can't look at anybody else.
Yeah, because we don't even
Like
know.
you can't really get distracted.
Yeah, don't get distracted.
Unless you're looking at the mixing bowl.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Amber, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright, Mark.
Amber, do you know how to tell if a peach is ripe?
Yeah.
First thing we can do is to smell the peach or to touch the peach. So Amber, touch this peach.
This is ripe.
And touch this peach.
Not that ripe.
Yeah, right? Don't you think this one is hard and then this one is softer?
Yeah, it feels like I'm holding like a pillow, a mini baby pillow or something, like a mini blanket,
That's right.
or maybe Peach Boy's head.
Who's your favorite cartoon character?
Totoro.
Ooh, isn't this a cool fan?
Yeah, you press this part and pew. Bobo.
No, Amber, I can hold you. Our hand has to be here. Remember? Okay.
Yeah, so nobody can see. And Amber, come on, make a nice face. I see you. You're like, put your arm around mommy.
But she's not putting it around me.
That's okay.
Whoa.
Whoa! Dangerous.